In this video, I'll show you how to change Captions language on Google Chrome browser in just a few simple steps. This is a very useful setting if you want Chrome's live caption feature to display captions in your preferred language, making videos, audio, and other content easier to follow. Whether you use Chrome for work, study, or entertainment, changing the caption language can make a big difference in accessibility and convenience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop version of Chrome because these settings are not available in the same way on mobile. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. Now, on the left side of the settings page, look for Accessibility and click it. This is where Chrome keeps options for accessibility tools, including captions and other display features. Inside the accessibility section, find Live Caption. If Live Caption is turned off, switch it on. Once you enable it, Chrome may start downloading speech recognition files automatically in the background. Give it a moment to finish because these files help Chrome generate captions more accurately. After Live Caption is on, look for the Add Languages option under it. Click Add Languages and Chrome will show you the list of supported caption languages. Now choose the language you want to use for your captions. Select your preferred language carefully, especially if you want captions to match the language you hear most often in videos or audio. Once you've selected the language, click Add. Chrome will begin downloading and installing the language pack. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a little while, so just wait for the process to complete. After the language is added, you'll usually see it appear in the language list under Live Caption. Now for the final step, click the three dots next to the language you just added and then select Make Default. This tells Chrome to use that language as your main caption language. Once you do that, your live caption settings should be updated and Chrome will start using the selected language by default, and that's it. You've now learned how to change captions language on Google Chrome browser. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it can make your browsing experience much easier and more accessible. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.